Welcome to YouTube channel Kalam Academy, dear friend. Video series on the problem solving skills. This video based on the problem solving skill essential tools. Dear friends, watch the video till the end. If you are not subscribed, subscribe for the more interesting videos. Dear friends, in during your graduation or in your at workplace, you are working on various projects. So project-based learning. Under this project-based learning, you have to solve the problems. The problem-solving skills are required. We are dealing with this in this video. We are clear with the and during the mini project also you require the problem-solving skills. In final year project, for the every student have to work on the project, on that may be Capstone project. So friends, doing the together work, these skills are individually required. What are those skills are required? And that is acceptable by the overall industry to get the job or to start the your own business or startup. It is required all these skills. Friends, start with the skills. What are those skills? See here, this active listening is important. This all are the nothing but these skills are required individually. Active listening is the skill. If you have good active listeners are the good problem solvers. Similarly, analytical skills, which is based on the theory with the collaboration and proper communication with the problem solving for with customer and each other with the thinking with the creativity and critically thinking, and after that whatever the data collected, analyze it, and you can take the decision, and whatever the dependability on this problem you can deal the emotional intelligence and facilitation, these flexibilities with honesty and initiative of each and every member. So impartiality of work and the all the problems we can take it the with the in detail. So with the leadership on each of the member or individual or the everyone inside the there is a leader. So friend, this will be initiate the problem solving skills. So mediation also important, the planning, prioritization, record keeping, and automatically build your research skills and the taking the risk management with this all the team members. We have to team building and we learn the team building, and finally we have to time management. Time never stop for anyone. Friend, this is the very important skills. But there are few core skills that best problem solver generally possesses. The important skills to draw upon when engaging in any problem solving process. We learn with the first is the creativity. Effective problem solving requires the ability to brainstorm solutions and think outside the box to arrive at new approaches to long-standing problem. So outstanding box out, where is the, I will tell you one story. Once upon a time, a king was there. He has one puzzle. The 9 eggs are kept here. See the 9 dots are there. What is the puzzle? We have to connect this all the 9 dots. Where we are started, we have to end at the same point. Where if I started here, so that must be end here, and all dots must be connected. So they tried very much time, all the dots, the all the people, and one of these from this his country, and he was solved that problem. And how did solve the problem? We have to think out of the box. I will show you, see the result. When he joined here, he connected this line like this and like this and like this and like this. So out of the box means here gone outside the these 9 dots. This periphery of 9 dots, you think out of the box, then connected each and every dots, and where he was started, and this connected with this, all the 9 dots are here connected. You can see here this solve by this way also, but out of the box also you can solve this one. So when we start here, again we can start here. So this is the puzzle. So all the dots are connected here. So this is the out of the box example. Next, what is that creativity is told by this Peter Medava is beyond the analysis, is a romantic illusion we must now outgrow. Creativity is a skill which can be developed by only practice, and conscious applications is needed, not the vagaries of inspiration, in order to achieve the creative output. Creativity is a matter of organizing one's basic skills, not regretting that one was not born with a quick or logical mind. कोई पैदाइशी ज़्यादा होशियार नहीं होता है. So don't think like this. You have to utilize your brain for this creativity. So teamwork is there. I would like to give you this example. TEAM, together everyone achieve more. This is the teamwork. In this teamwork, addressing a group problem or systematic social problem requires you to work collaboratively and supportively with other team members. See, this is the one GF, how the team members are working. So problem can be solved. Next is the logical thinking skill. Friends, here what is the in logical thinking skills, in order to diagnose the cause of a problem and arrive at the best solution, you have to possess analytical skills and allow a logical and methodical processes. So how the logical and methodical processes are utilized? See, this is the image of the brain, which is having left side and the right side. What will happen? The utilization of the left side and right side, I'll show you. See here, the left side brain can utilize for this logic, analysis, organization, administration, math, science, knowledge, facts, and details. On right side brain, we utilize for emotion, intuition, spirituality, interpersonal skill, art, music, belief, and big picture. See, this is the two part, and we can utilize decoding the left and right brain. So that will be improve your logical thinking when we utilize all this part. So that will be utilization properly. And that will be easy to solve the problem. Next is the high emotional intelligence. What is this high intelligence, emotional intelligence? Just in one sentence, I would like to give you information that the EQ, or we can say the intelligence. The emotional intelligence is the ability to recognize, understand, and manage our emotions, as well as recognize, understand, and influence the emotions of others. You have to consider the others' emotions and own emotions. That is nothing but the high emotional intelligence. Next will be the decision making. Friends, every problem solving requires decision making. Go hand in hand. It's essential that you have enough conviction and trust in yourself to make a decision and see it through. So friends, now see the typical features of the PBL method. The problems are designed to emulate real-world problems, and problems are used to solve the complex and cover the multiple objectives. To solve the problem, specific procedures and algorithms are learned as needed. Much of the problem-solving skill is improved through in-depth questioning by learners, guide, and customers. Student learners using this process usually work in cooperative or collaborative groups to gain multiple perspectives on the possible solutions. So friends, lastly, I would like to give the suggestion, the 4 tips: focus on the solution, clear, define the problem, agree on the process, and be sure to use the active listening. Also watch these videos to clear your concept related to all the parts, 9 parts, and the sub videos. So friends, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, and for the more and more videos. Thank you very much.